Good day, I'm Jan Erica Villaflor from Bsit 2-A BPO. I'm here to discuss about Introduction IT 222 Networking 1. First, we have data communication. It is the exchange of data between two devices via some form of transmission medium. Data communication refers to exchange of data between a source of and a receiver via from transmission media such as a wire cable. Data communication is said to be local if communicating devices are in the same building or a similarly restricted geographical area. We have five characteristics of effective communication. First, it uses the same transmission medium and language. Direct and indirect communication. Mutual understanding, continuous process, use of words as well as symbols. Data refers to information presented in whatever form is agreed upon by the parties creating and using the data. We have three fundamental characteristics of data communication. First, delivery. The system must deliver data to the correct destination. Accuracy. The system must deliver the data accurately. Timeliness. The system must deliver data in a timely manner. The components of data communication. First, we have message. It is the information data to be communicated. Sender. It is the devices that send the data message. Receiver. It is the device that receives the message. Medium. It is the physical path by which a message travels from sender to receiver. Protocol. It is a set of rules govern data communication. We have data representation. One, we have text, AXI acronym example. It stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Code represent text in computers, telecommunication equipment, and other devices. EASCII. Example, Extended American Standard Code for Information Interchange. R 8-bit or and larger encoding that include standard 7-bit ASCII characters. Unicode. Unicode is an information technology standard for the consistent encoding representation and handling in text expressed in most of the word written system. ISO released the standard as ISO 8859 describing its own set 8-bit ASCII extension. Numbers. Numeric data consists of numbers can be used in arithmetic operation, and we also use image, audio, video in data representation. Data flow. Simplex communication is unidirectional to half-duplex. Each station can both transmit and receive, but not at the same time. Full duplex. Both stations can transmit and receive simultaneously. Performance. Network criteria. Performance. It can be measured in many ways. Transit time. It is the amount of the time required for a message to travel from one device to another. Response time. It is the elapsed time between an inquiry and a response. The performance of the network depends on many factors such as a number of users, B, type of transmission medium, C. Capabilities of the hardware, and D. Efficiency of the software. Reliability, it is measured by the A. Frequency of the failure, B. Time it takes a link to recover from failure, and C. Network robustness in a catastrophe. Security, how the network protect data from unauthorized access. Networking is a group of connected communication devices such as computers and printers. Mid-1960s, standalone devices, ARPA, Advanced Research Project Agency, DoD, Department of Defense, 1967, ACM, Association for Computing Machinery Meeting, ARPA, ARPANET, IMP Interface Message Processor. In 1969, ARPANET Reality, 4 nodes. First, University of California, Los Angeles, UCLA, University of California, Santa Barbara, UCSB. 3. Stanford Research Institute. 4. University of Utah, NCP, Network Control Protocol. In 1972, we have Windsurf and Bobcan Interneting Project Transmission Control Protocol, TCP. We have Encapsulation, Wrap the Unwrap. 2. Datagram, UDP, Prioritize Time over Reliability. 3. Function of a gate between two networks. Shortly thereafter, TCP, higher level function. First, we have segmentation. Second, reassembly. Third, error and detection. IP, handle datagram. TCP/IP, Internet Protocol today's. Physical topology. It refers to the way in which a network is laid out physically. Categories. First, we have mesh. Communication is point-to-point. Bus. Signals are shared with the backbone cable. Star. Signals are passing through the central device. Ring. Signal are circulates within network. Topology. Mesh. Advantage. Point-to-point link. Robust. Privacy or security. The disadvantage of mesh is expensive in cable and I/O connection, sheer bulk of wiring. Mesh feature. In connection. Bus. The advantages. Less expensive than mesh. Ease of installation. Disadvantage of bus. Difficult reconnection. Difficult to add station. Limited number of station. The feature of bus. Backbone cable. The star. The advantage of star is point-to-point link. Robust. Less expensive than mesh. The disadvantage. Using central devices. And the feature of star is hub. Ring. The advantages is point-to-point link to both sides only, easy to install and configure. The disadvantage, unidirectional traffic of signal, and the last is the feature ring is repeater. That's it for today. Thank you, sir.